Want me to launch it?
All right, here we are, Isaac. What are we doing now?
Model rocket launch.
A what? Look at the camera.
We're doing a model rocket.
A model rocket launch?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
You're excited, Ismael?
I'm
Yes.
All right.
What
What's that in your hand, Isaac?
The launch remote.
The what?
The launch remote.
The launch remote, okay?
Don't touch that building.
Launch remote. There's the rocket. First one of many, Isaac says.
This is a
Hey, we'll back it up. Countdown, Bismo, from 10.
Hold on. Back up like 2
Back up as
If
far
it
as
blows
you
up,
can.
I want it to hit me.
Ishmael, countdown. Ready? 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Where is it at?
Right there.
Where is it at? Oh, there it is.
Where is it?
Oh my God, I saw it.
Where is it at? Now I lost it.
Where is it?
I lost it.
I told you that it landed on the other side.
Oh, it's way out there. Look at that. It's so cool.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna fly.
Where is it?
It's gonna fly off to the other property.
It's in the neighbor.
It's okay.